Hi, how are you? Everything is fine. Today I am going to discuss with you a very important topic which is very essential and important thing of your daily routine life, that is the mobile. So we always plan to buy mobile and we always think about the mobile, but there are some things which are very important to check and inspect the mobile devices. I am going to discuss with you a mobile device and mobile items, very important items which you have to check at any cost, which will support you, which will also give you a very good information knowledge by my this video. So I need to say you, please, you have to be patient and watch this video completely, and that at the end you will really feel difference that you have got a very sufficient and very informative knowledge about the mobile, and it will really help you and assist you when you are going to buy your mobile or as well as your friend mobile. So what are important things to check and inspect to buy, especially I am discussing with you the Android mobile, not iPhone. So when buying an Android mobile device, there are several important things to consider. Here are some key factors. First, I need to tell you something about the operating system OS, which we are saying OS operating. Many people don't know about the OS. So operating system means normally our mobile is running on the operating systems, manages all of the software and hardware on the computer. It performs basic tasks such as file, memory, and process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives and printers. And ensure that the device runs on the latest version of Android. Like suppose there is a Android 13 is the 13th major release of Google's Android operating system. So you must know that either 13 or below 12, it is means normally it is 13 is the latest, at least a recent version you have to this ensures compatibility with the latest apps and security patches. We can imagine and think that performance means how an app works, how efficient, which is very important. Performance class defines a set of device capabilities that goes beyond Android baseline requirements. Normally we are if it was enjoyable to use. So performance check the processor, RAM, and storage capacity. A faster processor and ample RAM will provide a smoother user experience, especially when multitasking or running resource intensive apps. Sufficient storage capacity is crucial for storing your file, apps, and media. So it is all about performance if you are going to buy. So display is very important, that you have to think about the display. Obviously, it is we are talking about the screen. So means it should be a very comfortable for your eyes, so because you would be spending most of your valuable time on the screen, so it should give relax to your eyes. Another thing which I need to discuss with you, battery life. Obviously your most of the apps and other things will be running on the mobile, so battery is a main thing. You have to see and check the battery life. Look for a device with a long lasting battery, preferably with a fast charging support. A larger battery capacity will generally provide better endurance, but also consider factors like the device power efficiency and optimization. Another which is very important for everyone, that camera quality. So you have to check the camera, and basically we are checking a zoom in, zoom out. So zoom, it's very important to check. Obviously that many people like to take the photos and want to make the recordings, so that is very good. So you have to evaluate the camera specifications, including the megapixel count, aperture size, and presence of optical image stabilization, a technology used in smartphones and cameras that helps stabilize the photo taking components of your phone or camera to minimize or completely negate the shake in images. So the image which you are watching, is it shaking or not? So you have to not only check the camera photos and recording, you have to check that how this photo which you're taking, is it shaking or not. So you have to check this one, which is very another topic that which I want to discuss with you, connectivity. So connectivity is also very important, that how you are checking it, that ensure that the device supports the necessary cellular network bands and has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. capable. What is NFC, which is very important? I must tell you, a set of short range wireless technologies, typically requiring a distance of 4 centimeter or less to initiate a connection. So, in simple words, I need to tell you, allows us smartphones, laptop, tablets, and other devices to share close proximity. Means anything which is very close, it will catch. So, it is NFC. It is extra information which I have provided you. Additionally, check for USB C or other desired ports. USB C, obviously, you have to check your charger. Software updates, another topic I want to discuss with you. So it is very important, obviously, when we are using our mobile. So we must concentrate that it is software update, it is working properly. Consider the manufacturer's track record in providing software updates. Regular updates are essential for security patches, bug fixes. What is bug fixes? So this you must know that elimination of software errors. So whatever the error is coming, so in the software, it should be removed immediately. So you have to understand what is software update. So build quality and design, obviously the topic I want to discuss with you. Build quality and design. Nowadays everybody is thinking about the mobile that it should be at least somehow stable. Another topic which I want to discuss with you, the user interface. What is basically user interface? To display the application data on the screen and also to serve as the primary point of user interaction. Whenever the data changes either due to user interaction like a pressing button or external input like network response, the user interface should update to reflect those changes. So it is very important that you have to research the manufacturer's Android skin or user interface. Some user interface may offer additional features and customization options, while others might provide a cleaner stock Android experience. The topic price, obviously you are going to buy the mobile, you have to check the your set a budget and compare the features and specifications offered by different devices in that range. So whatever is your budget, you have to check and consider the overall value for money based on your needs and priorities. Another thing I want to tell you, reviews and user feedback. Obviously, whenever you are going to buy any mobile, you have to ask from your friend, colleague, so that and Google. You will also search and you will have to see specifications. Read reviews from reputable resources and user feedback to get an idea of real world performance, reliability, and any common issues associated. I hope that you would definitely like my video, and if you think that if you got some knowledge and information, so you must subscribe and like this video. By subscribing and liking, I will get more confidence and I will try my level best to bring for you more informative and knowledgeable videos which will assist and help you in your common day life. Okay, thank you.